Electric vehicles are the future, we are well aware of it, and smart investors are actually hunting for stocks which are going to be a part of this growth story. So, today I am going to bring to you a stock which is going to play a major role in this sector and ultimately which could give you very good returns in the future. So, the name of the company is Servotech Power Systems. So, in this video, I'm going to do the complete analysis of this company, what all things it works on and how strong its fundamentals are and the price action, and I will give you the final conclusion if you should consider this as an investment or not. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Servotech Power Systems official website, and in the very first home page you can see marching towards the greener future. Okay, so this is playing a major role, this company is playing a major role in electric vehicle sector. So I will tell you the details about what all things it works on, and I will also share this link with you of its official website. You can go through it and gather more information about this company. Let's quickly go to the fundamentals part. Okay, so this is Servotech Power Systems, and let me just open the key points here. So you can see product profile of this company, what all things it works on. EV charger. Okay, obviously this is a major this is a major thing in EV sector. Solar product. Okay, solar panels, solar inverter, solar batteries. Okay, power backup, LEDs, oxygen concentrator, and all these things are definitely going to be a major part of the developing society of India. We all are well aware of it. Okay, not only EVs, it is working on other sectors as well, right? So, and here are the details: on-grid solar system, off-grid solar system, hybrid solar system. Okay, and BPCL EV, green charger, green corridor project. Okay, all these things you can get to know the details. Here is the link. I will share this link also as well. You can do little bit of research if you are someone who is too much into fundamentals and think that yes, fundamentals play a major role. Yes, it is true. So for you this will be a good option. Okay, this website will provide you all the details. Okay, and you can see the upcoming projects also here. Okay, company signed a MOU with government of UP to establish EV charger manufacturing facility. So mainly it is playing into the EV sector. Okay, and here are all the details, you can go through it. Okay, now let's quickly go to the fundamentals, numbers and ratios, and see if this company is growing year on year or not. Only then we can consider this as a investment. Okay, so here is the peer comparison, and the current market price as of now is 99.40 with a market cap of 2000 crores. The reserves it has is 67 and a debt of 47. So the debt to equity ratio is 0.5. So it's not excellent, but it's still fine. Okay, 0.5. It's, if it is less than 0.5, it is good. So it is close to 0.5. So it is fine. Okay. Now coming to the 3 years average sales growth, it is 42.76. And if you see, no other company is having close to it. I mean, no other company is close to its sales growth. They are behind it. Okay, 3 years average sales growth. 3 years average profit growth, it is 129%. So it is much more than the other companies here. 3 years earning per share growth, 118.65%. Again, this is far ahead of the competition here, right? So all these are clearly telling that the company is rapidly growing. This is clear as of now. Return on asset is 4.68. This is not a great number if we take the average rule of 10 or 12%, but you can see all the other companies are also having similar number except CG Power. Okay, so we can say this is the average for this industry. Now coming to return on capital employed, it is 12.16. So this number is fine. This is a good number, no problem with it. Interest coverage ratio is 7.61. This is also a good number, and you can see this is more than most of the companies in this industry except few. Okay, and coming to current ratio is just 2.31. So this number is fantastic. Okay, no other company is close to it. So 2.31 is a very good number. Anything above 1.5 is a very good number actually. Okay, operating profit margin is at 7.38. So you can see the operating profit margin in this entire industry is kind of like that only, 5, 9, here it is 14, 15, then 1.60, and so it is kind of on the lower side. So 7.38 is fine according to that standard. Also we have to see if it has been stable for quite some years or not, or this is declining. If it is declining, then it is a red flag, but if it is stable, then it is fine. Okay, Now the promoter holding stands at 60.60. This is a very good number. Altman Z score is 25.28. So this is far away. Far away from getting into solvency. So it's a stable company. Now coming to profit and loss, and like always, we will do the analysis of the last 3 years and trailing 12 months in additional. Okay. So the sales was 86 crore in March 2021, which went up to 134 crores, and you can see it directly almost doubled, not exactly but almost doubled to 249 crores sales, and then in the trailing 12 months 311 crores. So it is clearly growing in terms of sales, that thing is clear. Coming to operating profit, it went up from 5 crores to 9 crores, then to 18 crores, and now 23 crores. So clearly it is growing here also, no problem with that. Coming to operating profit margin, so it has been 6% in 2021, which was same 6% in 2022, but it went up to 7% in 2023, and again 7% in the trailing 12 months. Okay. Now coming to earning per share. Okay. So earning per share has also seen a very good growth here from 0.5 to 0.20. This is 4 times exactly. Then again 0.20 to 0.50. This is more than double from 0.20. Okay, then it went up to 0.77. So the earning per share has also been seeing a very good growth. Okay, and if you see here, the compounded sales for the trailing 12 months has been 104%, and compounded profit growth 403%, and stock CAGR 331%. So return on equity is also highest. Okay, last year, right, 17%. So all these numbers are clearly telling that Servotech Power Systems is actually a strongly growing company, not a steadily growing, but steadily along with strong, aggressively growing company. So definitely it qualifies all this criteria for a growing company for investment. And coming to one of the major things, shareholding pattern, that we are not able to see here. Okay, that data is not available for this company. I don't know why. I will later check in some other website. If it is available, I will put it in the comments, okay, or in the description section. I will add it later. Okay, but for now we know that the promoters are holding 60% of the stake. Okay, just as I showed here. Okay, so in that standard, the promoters are actually confident about this company. So fundamentally it is stable, and then it is growing year on year strongly. This is the conclusion about fundamental analysis. And if you are liking the analysis so far, I request all of you to please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. Now let's go to the price action to decide if we are interested as of now to invest in this futuristic company. Can we invest right now? That is the main question. Let's go and find out. So this is the daily time frame chart of Servotech Power Systems, and you can see it has been in upper circuit for 2 to 3 days. Okay, let's measure how big the rally is. So this is 5%, this is 5%, today it is 3.89%. so the upper circuit just broke today itself. Okay, and so we know that it has been in strong uptrend for, okay, this is also 5%. So 3 days continuous upper circuit, and today it has been fluctuating little bit. So this is the daily time frame, but we are obviously not getting a clear picture that if this is the right time to make an entry in this stock. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to go to the weekly time frame. Okay, you can see the weekly time frame, and if I show you this part, you can see since February 2020 from the lowest point, you can see how far it has gone. Let's measure. Okay, so this is 14,959%. so 15,000% return in last 4 years, we can say. Okay, from 2020 to 21, then 22, 23, now 24, almost less than 4 years, 15,000% return. So you can imagine how widely and how strongly this company has been growing. Okay, so definitely this should definitely be considered for investment. Okay, that is clear as of now. We have got all the evidence in the fundamental side. Now we are just going to highlight the technicals, the price action, and conclude that if we can make an entry or not. So in the weekly time frame, we are getting to see that the stock, after hitting this level of around 9,900, okay, it went into consolidation phase for quite few weeks. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, but again in this week we are getting to see some strong bullish momentum. Okay, so what is the first thing that we are going to do? We are going to check the volume. Okay, and you can see how big this volume bar is, which is supporting this big green candle. So clearly this week the bullish momentum has started. Okay, now talking about momentum, we should definitely check with the momentum indicators, right, to see if our momentum related bias is correct or not. So I'm going to use the RSI and MACD, and here it is. So you see, during this consolidation phase also, the RSI level never dropped below 50. This middle line is the 50. Let me just expand the RSI so that you can get a clear view. Okay, then we'll come to MACD as well. Okay, you see, the RSI level never dropped below 50. So this black line is the 50 line. You can see it came below it, it stayed above 50 line, and then making this black line the moving average as its support, it has gone up above the 60 level. Okay, and it is strongly accelerating in the upward direction. Okay, this is the RSI is clearly telling that the stock has built strong momentum, not normal momentum but very strong momentum. Okay, now coming to MACD. So in the MACD also we are getting to see the same thing. There is a crossover here, and the green bars have started appearing for this week. Okay, so the momentum indicators have also confirmed that yes, the stock has started getting into strong momentum, bullish momentum. Okay, now what is left? So now what we are going to do is check the moving average. So I will obviously use the 40 weeks moving average, which is the 200 days moving average, and you can see it is taking support there. Let's check the 50 days moving average as well. So that is also taking support. Let me go to the daily time frame now to get a clear view. Okay, so here it is. You can see in the daily time frame, the stock is taking support of this the 50 days moving average, exponential moving average, and has started accelerating upward in this week. This is the price action of this week. So what does it tell us? So this is clearly telling that the stock's consolidation phase is over, and it is heading for another big rally, another big uptrend, and also the growth in sales, profit, earning per share, all these things are also hinting the same thing, that this company is a strongly growing company and should not be missed by the smart investors. They should definitely add this stock to your portfolio. And the coming to the main answer, can you invest in this stock right now? Definitely yes. As I showed, in this week itself, the strong momentum has started, and you should take advantage of this strong momentum and make an entry. So what will be the target? So the target, I would say, keep it using the moving average. Okay, if the stock is going below 200 days moving average, then only exit. So I would consider this stock for positional trading or long term. Why? Because obviously EV is a futuristic thing, and this trend is not going to fade away in 3 months, 6 months. It is not going to fade away. So that is the ideal time frame for swing trading. Okay, so don't do swing trading in this one. Do positional trading or investing directly. Okay, then only you will get the maximum profit. So you can see it has already given 15,000% return in less than 4 years. So you can guess how strong its potential is. So why will you not take advantage and be a part of this growth story and exit early with 15-20% profit? No, this company should not be traded like that. Do the positional trading or investment directly. Okay, so that is all about Servotech Power Systems. Coming to the final conclusion, let me just repeat myself that it is fundamentally strong, it is growing healthily, aggressively, and the price action is also confirming that it is the right time to buy. So don't miss out on this one. Take a position. You should definitely expect some good returns from this company. So thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and also like this video if you found the analysis helpful. And if you are already a member and you still want to go to the next step, then consider joining the Financial Impulse community. There you will be able to chat with me one-to-one on Discord, and also I post other stock suggestions there in form of screenshot and descriptions. Okay, so you can get multiple recommendations in a particular day. So thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.